How to add a subtitle format to favorites. To begin, I opened a subtitle and a video. In the toolbar section, you can see a lot of formats that you can choose from. But let's say you use some of them more often and you want to make sure that they appear at the top of the list. Just go to Settings and Subtitle Formats. Here you can change the default format of subtitle and also the default format when you want to save a subtitle. To add a subtitle to favorites, just search for it, select it, and click on this button to add it to favorites. And then click OK. Now these 4 subtitles that I selected will appear in the top of the list. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.